State the terms related to solid waste management. 1. Prevention. 2. Minimization. 3. Recycling. 4. Reuse. 1. Prevention. Avoid creating waste. Meaning, stopping waste from being generated in the first place. Example, carrying cloth bags instead of plastic. Avoiding single-use items. 2. Minimization. Reduce waste. Meaning, reducing the quantity of waste generated. Example, buying only what is needed. Using less packaging. 3. Recycling. Convert waste into new products. Meaning, processing waste materials to make new useful products. Example, paper recycled paper. Plastic new plastic items. 4. Reuse. Use items again. Meaning, using the same item multiple times instead of throwing it away. Example, reusing bottles. Using old clothes as cleaning cloths. Source reduction of solid waste. The source reduction, also known as prevention of waste. In another way, source reduction also means reduce the amount of waste generated at source as well as activities that involve any change in the design, manufacture, purchase or usage of materials products to reduce their volume and/or toxicity before they become part of the solid waste stream. Following are the purpose of source reduction. 1. Material volume reduction. Reducing the volume of material used changes the amount of waste entering the waste stream. This is helpful in controlling the waste generated and its disposal. For example, percentage of packaging waste generated in society can be reduced by buying the item in bulk quantity. 2. Product reuse. Using reusable products instead of their disposal equivalents, reduce the amount of materials that are to be managed as wastes. Reusable shopping bag is a best example of product reuse. 3. Toxicity reduction. Source reduction reduces the number of toxic constituents in products entering the waste stream and reduces the adverse environmental impacts. 4. Increased product lifetime. Source reduction facilitates the use of products with longer lifetime over short-lived alternatives that are designed to be discarded at the end of their useful lives. 5. Decreased consumption. This refers to the reduced consumption of materials that are not reusable. Example, using a reusable shopping bag instead of picking up plastic bags from the store. 3-tier system. The important hierarchy of municipal solid waste management system is 3 rupees: reduce, reuse, and recycle. By incorporating the 3 rupees in MSWM, reduces a large amount of mixed waste flow into open dump sites and landfill generated in city. A. Reduction. It is first step in waste hierarchy. 2. Waste reduction may occur through the designing, manufacturing, and packaging of products with minimum toxic content, minimum volume of material, or a longer useful life. 3. Waste reduction may also occur at the household, commercial, or industrial facility through selective buying patterns and the reuse of products and materials. 4. Reducing waste by purchasing products with little or no packaging or simply reducing the consumption of goods such as paper eliminates or reduces the amount of waste that enters the waste stream. 5. This can reduce product costs and fossil fuel consumption and save natural resources. B. Reuse. 1. It is the second step in waste hierarchy where the waste material can use again and again, for X. Use of plastic water bottle for filling different materials. Plastic bags obtained from the market are often used to pack the household waste and transport it from the house to the waste bin. 2. Due to repeated use or reuse of trash, the quantity of solid waste automatically reduces and also reduces the environmental pollution. 3. Reusing is thus about extending the life or giving a second life to waste. The garbage sending to the landfill sites will be reduced and the operational lifespan of the landfill site will extend. C. Recycling. Recycling is the process of turning of trash into new products such as glass, newspaper, aluminium, cardboard, etc. It reduces the cost and pollution associated with raw material extraction and manufacturing dependent on large quantities of increasingly expensive carbon emitting fossil fuels that contribute to climate change. 3. Recycling also places an economic value on materials that degrade the environment through their toxicity, such as the lead in automotive batteries or simply the space they require in a landfill. 4. It helps preserve valuable natural resources and also saves energy. For the theoretical part and questions and answers, please check the description box below.